So you can see here, that one is a Google account Android 12. That one is a Google account Android 11. That one is a Google account Android 8. Okay, so you can see here Android 12. So it was this phone. Okay, so I remove it, Google account, and that one is a Android 11, Android version 11. I remove it, FRP A32 and 8.1 J2. So you can see here. So let me show you. This one is a heavy Google account. So go next, next. So okay. So let's go skip. I can't skip, you can see here. So this one also I can't skip. So let me connect with my Wi-Fi. So here you can see ask for a pin code, otherwise you have to go next. So I don't know what is pin code. So let's see. So here also is asking for a pin code. So you can see here Google account. So you can see here, that one is a Google account Android 12. That one is a Google account Android 11. That one is a Google account Android 8. Okay, so you will remove in 5 minutes. It's 5 minute job, totally 5 minutes. So let's start. So I'm going to remove first Samsung. I'm going to remove first that one Android 11, Android 8. Let's connect your phone. So let me move a little bit here. Okay, so now here is on PC. This software you can download very easily from smfw.com. Click here. So this one is a website, just click and search it. So first you need to download it. You can have to click here, you will download it. Okay, so after download, so you need to open it and you need to install your driver 86 64-bit whatever you have, so you have to install it. Then after installed, so let me show you here. You have to open it. Okay, so when you open it, it is simple. We just open it. So when you open it, so let me show you. You can see here my phone is connected here. So no, okay, my phone is connected. Okay, so let me remove it. You can see here is removed. So let me enter. So it's removed, connected. So I have to click here star hash 0 star hash. So click on mode. So click on remove FRP. So let's see, is it reading? You can see here is reading. So it's reading, just a minute. It's take few seconds, it's take not too much time, just you can see how much it take time. So now it's asking for me what, so let's see. So now you see, I have to go back. Then I have to dial star hash 0 star hash. So you can see here is okay, is then I have to press okay. So now is installing. Just wait a minute, don't worry, just a minute, don't worry, don't worry, waiting for a device. So let me, so now you can see here. So if I press OK, let me see, if I press OK, so laptop is going to be removed. 1 second. So you see here, you can see I press OK, removing. So now it's going on setting, blah blah. So automatically my hand is here. So automatically you see it's went in setting. So after few seconds is going restart, then it's come on, is remove FRP automatically. So it's done. You can see here on my screen, remove FRP, remove successfully. So my hand is here, it's done. So I can take it off cable here. Okay, it's done. That one is done. So I have to put here. So let's move. So you can see here is done. Everything is done. So my Wi-Fi, everything will be same. So it's done. So let's remove Android 11. Android 11 is okay. So you can see here Android 11. So let me close this application, open again. Okay, open it. So you can see here now it's asking for hash 5. Okay, so same procedure, remove FRP. So FRP, so you can see here asking again star, go back, emergency, star hash 0 star hash. So okay, it's done. Now is asking for a okay, I have to press okay here. Now is ask me allow, so I will allow. So wait a second, don't worry, just a minute, just a minute. Setup 2 is okay. Okay, now you can see here is asking me allow. So you can see here is asking me allow. So if I allow, so now it's removing on FRP, allow. Okay, so you can see here my hand is here, is remove. FRP is removed, is not need to restart phone. So is it now is it removed successfully. So I think is restarting my phone. You can see here phone is restarting. I can take off my cable. Is now is the last Android 12. Phone is restarting. Now is Android 12. 3 phone in 3 minutes totally. So let me put my phone. So I have to close this application again, turn on, open it. So no, okay, this one is done. Here you can see here it's done. This one is done, this one is done. Okay, both is done. So let me I do this one now. So it's same, remove FRP is a Android 12. Okay, so that one I will show you. I have to show you which one is Android 12. I will show you. Click on FRP. Okay, it's removing. Is a connection reading. Okay, so I have to go back simply. Emergency dial star hash 0 star hash. Then I have to press OK. So it's installing. So about I have to show you that one software. You can see here Android 11. Okay, it's done. Allow. Removing FRP. You can see here. So here you can see here now is removed. So now it's going to be restart. After restarting phone it's done. So allow. Okay, software Android 11. So let me show you this phone. system software about. So you can see here Android. So let me remove cable later. So it's done. You can see here totally it's take I think 10 minutes. So let me show you now. So let me show you now here. Can go in about, oh sorry, about software information. So you can see here Android 12. So it was this phone. Okay, so I remove it, Google account, and that one is Android 11, Android version 11. I remove it, FRP A32 and 8.1 J2. So you can see here. So it's 5 minute job, totally 5 minute job. I remove 3 phone. So like for more, subscribe for more video, like this video. If you need any help, so leave your comment, I will respond to you soon possible. See you next time. Bye bye, take care.